Hey there, this is Alex, and in this video I'm going to be going over our ammonia pipe marking within the pipe marking module in LabelForge PRO. In order to begin, we're going to click on our pipe marking option on the left along the menu. This is then going to bring up our submodule type selection, where we're going to want to make sure that we are selecting the ammonia pipe marking. We do have some other videos that are going over general pipe marking as well as arrow wrap. So I'm going to hit OK, and we're going to get into the module. Now that we're in the module itself, it's going to look pretty similar to the general pipe marking. It's going to have some of the same features like adding in the arrows. One thing though that it is going to be missing is the ability to add custom text for that ammonia section, and that's just going to be due to compliance reasons. I'll go ahead and begin by adding in an arrow similar to the pipe marking. I'm just going to add in one to the right. One thing that you will notice, there are no up and down arrows for these, so it'll only be left and right choices. I'm going to select this one. And I'm just going to leave this one on as only the right side. If you do want an arrow on both sides though, you can select this apply to both. Since I don't want that though, I'm going to deselect that, go back over to the left one and select on this no arrows option. Next, if you need to adjust the liquid vapor or the high-low pressure, that can be done as well, just on the left and right of the text. For the liquid and vapor, that'll be done to the left. If you do want to change the higher low pressure, that'll be on the right. For this example, I'm going to leave these as is, but if you do want to change that, you'll just click the selection box that's appropriate and make your choice there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in an abbreviation. This will add in that abbreviation to the left of where we have that liquid marker. For this, I'm going to go ahead and use the condenser drain for an example. Once I have that added, I'll click that X in the top right where that's currently showing that pressure level. That way we can get into the label size and settings options. These label size and settings are pretty similar to what we had in the general pipe marking as well. I do need this to fit onto a 4-inch diameter pipe, so I want to make sure I select that from this pipe diameter drop down. Since we don't have one specific to 4 inches, I'm going to choose the 2 to 7 inch so that it's going to fall within. Next, if I need to adjust this color at all, I can select this drop down and choose between either orange or yellow. For this example, I'm going to keep it as orange. And then there's one last thing that I want to do, and I actually want to stretch out those markers just a little bit. I think only the 1-inch width is a little too small, so I'm going to increase that to 1.5. To do that, I'm just going to highlight the state/pressure width, change that to 1.5, and hit enter. That'll stretch those out just a little bit, making it look a little nicer on the label. Now, one cool thing you can do within the ammonia pipe marking module is if you do want to print these tags out, you can print them out through this module as well. I'm going to click on the high and low pressure options, and then there's this print tags area here. From here, you can choose to print these. I suggest that you wait until you're finished with designing the label. That way you print the correct size, as it's going to update with your most recent settings. When you're ready to print these tags, go ahead and just click print. And of course, when you're ready to print the label, you'll print through your traditional print menu on the right. Hopefully you were able to learn some things about the ammonia pipe marking module. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.